Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to enable supervised profile safe search in Google Chrome. This feature helps ensure that explicit content is filtered out of Google search results, especially useful for parents and schools who need to monitor browsing activity. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the steps, let's quickly discuss what Supervised Profile Safe Search does. When enabled, Safe Search is automatically turned on for supervised users in Chrome. This means that search results in Google will be filtered, blocking adult content like explicit images, videos, and websites. It's perfect for keeping browsing safe, especially for kids or anyone who needs to stay safe online. Now, let's look at how to enable this setting in Chrome. Follow these steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type in the following URL: Chrome flags. Press Enter to access the Chrome flags page. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Supervised Profile Safe Search. You should see an option for Supervised Profile Safe Search. Change the setting from default to enabled. After that, click on Relaunch at the bottom to restart Chrome with the new settings. Once you enable Supervised Profile Safe Search, Chrome will automatically enforce Safe Search for any supervised users that are in the pending state. This means that any Google search performed by those users will have explicit content filtered out, and they won't be able to turn off this feature. It's a great tool for protecting young users from inappropriate content. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Safe Search for supervised users in Chrome. Now, whenever they perform a Google search, it will automatically filter out harmful content. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.